Bad habits and addiction can quietly take control of our lives. Whether it's procrastination, phone addiction, or unhealthy routines, breaking free is not easy. But Japanese philosophy offers simple, practical methods that focus on discipline, mindset, and gradual improvement. Method 1. Kaizen. Small, continuous improvement. The first method is Kaizen, which means continuous small improvement. Instead of trying to quit a bad habit suddenly, you reduce it step by step. For example, if you want to stop using your phone too much, start by reducing screen time by just 10 minutes a day. Over time, small changes lead to big transformation. Method 2. Make bad habits difficult. The second method is to make bad habits harder to do. Japanese discipline focuses on changing your environment. If you want to stop junk food, don't keep it at home. If you want to avoid distraction, keep your phone away while working. When access becomes difficult, habits naturally reduce. Method 3. Ikigai. Find your purpose. The third method is Ikigai, which means your life purpose. When you have a strong reason to live and grow, bad habits lose their control over you. You naturally shift your focus from distraction to meaningful goals. Breaking bad habits is not about force. It's about smart systems and mindset. Kaizen teaches small progress. Discipline changes your environment. And Ikigai gives you purpose. Together, they can transform your life step by step.